What's up YouTube, it's your boy, the Serpent King, and we're back again with another video, and I'm going to teach you how to make an OC. So what you want to do, I go to one of my friends on here, and you want to get something like this. Then you want to pin that, hit the little pin button, then you want to go back to your profile, and then you click on it, then you hit the three dots in the corner and hit more. Then you hit create my own version. And then basically you go from there. Like my guy's gonna be no. Yeah, Jason Black. Or you could be like John Bow, okay. Then you can go to gallery and choose what image you want. Then that. Then you go here and you hit these minuses, the red minuses, until you get rid of them all. Okay, then you can hit add, and you can do whatever you want. Sorry, my battery is dying a little on my phone. Hold on. Okay, then like you choose the photos you want, like this, and this, and then you get all those, and I can add those 7. Rook. Okay, his name is John. Anxiety. And there you have it. An OC you can use, an IPs, and you can always preview. And shout out to Blair Chin, who made the template. And I'm using this guy as my new OC, so you guys also wanted me to make one, so here's the most recent one, and this is also how to make one. So for those who do not know, just this is how. It's really simple, and I'll see you guys next time. But peace out. I'm just gonna publish this. Publish this before we go, and then I'm gonna. Now it's an official thing. You can find Jumbo. So see you guys next time in the next video. Serpent King. Peace out.